cities fell beneath their hand as God had heard their plea. Yet soon their hearts grew faint within along the desert sea. They spoke against the Lord once more, and Moses in their cry, "Why bring us here to die in thirst with barren earth and sky? We loathe this bread from heaven above, this manna day by day." So judgment came in fiery serpents biting on their way. The people came in sorrow, then we sinned, now intercede. And Moses prayed before the Lord for mercy in their need. Lift up a serpent made of bronze, set high for all to see. Whoever looks upon it now from death shall be made free. And those who turned their eyes in faith were healed from poison's sting. For life was given through the sign the Lord alone could bring. They journeyed on through desert lands where wells of water flowed. With songs they praised the living God who lightened every load. They conquered kings who stood opposed and took the promised ground. For God went forth before his own where victory was found. O Lord, when we are lost in sin and wounded deep within, lift up the sign of saving grace that we may live again. For those who turn their eyes to you shall find the healing true, and walk in life restored and new.